Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. For those of you that tuned into my vlog yesterday, you'll know that this is going to be take 2 on the haul video. I had recorded a haul video for you guys, and the entire time my microphone was on mute because I'm awesome. So I've got everything going this time right, so let's just get right into it. We went to our local honey pot thrift on 99 cents day, and we got 60 pieces for a total of $59.40. So all 60 pieces were 99 cents. We did not find anything full price that we wanted to purchase, and we just selected the 99 cents yellow tag items. We did not find anything exciting. So, you know, I knew I was going to be doing this haul video, and I had hoped deep down inside I was going to find at least one hard to find treasure, one home run, one really exciting thing to share, and it doesn't happen. Sometimes it doesn't happen. So all 60 pieces are they're good to have in the store, but they're your basic bread and butter items. So I've just selected a few here that are like our good bread and butter items for us to share with you guys, and maybe there'll be bolos for you. Just keep in mind that our cost of goods is really low. So we pay 99 cents per piece. So we are going to take risks that you probably shouldn't take unless you can get your cost of goods down the way we're lucky. We have 99-cent day. So yeah, just keep that in mind. We do take risks. We do buy things that we've never heard of. We buy things to experiment with. We don't run comps while we're in the store because we pay 99 cents for everything. We figure, what the heck? Worst case scenario, we're going to be able to get our money back. I mean, if we get something home and it's really a piece of crap, we can at least sell it for enough less fees and shipping and cost of goods to break even. So we don't even take the time to comp when we're in the store, typically. Certain things we will. If we're going to pay more than 99 cents on something and we're unsure, we will comp it. But if it's 99 cents, I don't want to take the time to comp while I'm in the store. I want to keep going through the rack as fast as I can and getting as much as I can. We do have a volume-based business model, so it's all about going fast and getting as much as you can. Whether you're sourcing or listing, it's just about speed and volume. So just like I said, keep that in mind. If you live in a place in your area where you don't have 99 cents days and you're paying full price, or you're just paying, you know, half of the sticker, you probably don't want to do what we do. You don't want to take as many risks. You want to know what you're getting. You want to run your comps while you're in the store, and you would probably pass up on a lot of the brands that we consider bread and butter. We do a lot of the mall brands, and we do really well with them. But if I had to pay $8.50 for a pair of Old Navy jeans, I wouldn't flip Old Navy jeans. If I had to pay $10 for Gap jeans, you guys, I would not have Gap jeans in my store. I would not flip them. I get all of these items for 99 cents. So I deal in a lot of lower end brands or mall brands or whatever you want to call them, because I can flip them for $20, and when my cost of goods is 99 cents, it is worth it to me. So when you see the items I'm going to show you, if you like take a peek in our store, just keep in mind your cost of goods, your bottom line at the end of the day, before you run out and, you know, bolo all the brands we have in the store. You don't want to buy jeans that flip for 20 if you have to pay $8.50. All right, so let's just jump right in here. This skirt is a Marone pencil skirt. I do well with pencil skirts. Regardless of brand, color, or pattern, I have found that pencil skirts do really well, especially if you have the right keywords in your title. You want to have the word career, pencil skirt, maxi if it's long. This one is an Ivanka Trump. So yes, I did have to pick this up. I'm not sure if these do as well as the Trump ties, but we will see. For 99 cents, you guys, like I say, we take a lot of risks. These are really cute. They're like a salmon color. They're capris. They're real thin weight. They're nice material. They are White House black market, and they are new with tags. They still have the little towel on the back as well. So these are a size 2. They're going to be a lot slower to move. That's another thing you guys want to keep in mind when you're sourcing. We buy sizes of all kinds. I buy from size 0 all the way to plus size. The smaller sizes are more long tail. They sit for a lot longer and they take longer to move. And plus sizes you can actually charge a little bit more for and get a little bit more money for. So if you, like, again, are paying full price or half price, you maybe want to stay away from the sizes on the really, really small end, like your 0s and your 2s. Maybe even stay away from the 4s and get those larger brands, especially those plus sizes that you can charge more for, that are going to move quicker out of your store. Okay, these are just cloth, like shorts, capris, like sweatpants, workout pants. They're new with tags. This is a brand I've had maybe 3 pieces in the past in my store. They flip pretty fast. They get a good price. These are made in the USA. Fresh Produce is a good brand to look for. Save that for later. So these men's golf shorts like this, they're typically, you know, like this style. They're plaid. They're golf shorts. I pick these up in all sizes and all brands, and they flip for anywhere from $12 to $20 depending on which brand you pick up, and they go fast. I can put in, say I buy like 10 pairs and I put all 10 in this week. Within 2.5 weeks, they'd all be gone. I mean, they go quick. And like I said, some of them you can get towards 24, and some of them you can only get 12 for. So you just have to keep in mind how much you're paying. This isn't even a great brand. This is Greg Norman for Tasso Alba, but they're golf shorts. So they're going to be first class to male. Worst case, I'm only going to be getting 12, but that's okay. I paid 99 cents. I keep reiterating that, but this is another thing, especially with it being spring and summer right around the corner. I have been looking at more shorts, men's shorts and swim trunks, women's swimsuits obviously, women's shorts like the denim shorts, and women's skirts. And I've been doing pretty good with how quick they move. So you just want to keep that in mind. We are about to change seasons. It is going to get warm. Men love their shorts. This is another style, like these cargos, these khaki chino cargo shorts. These are a great style to look for. These particular ones are Cabela's, and I did find 2 pairs today. Basically like the same style of cargo. The one was like a tan, this one's a green. They're both Cabela's. These might be pushing it. They might, no, I think those are going to go first class. Some of the cargo shorts are real heavy and have to go on padded flats, so you want to watch out for that too. Now this is definitely a bread and butter brand in jeans for me. I pick these up all sizes, all colors, all styles, this brand, and it does well. It fetches anywhere from 25 to 30 typically. This is not your daughter's jeans. I think I did have a pair once that went for 16, but they were really bad photographs, like back in the beginning when I didn't know what I was doing. But with good photos and good keywords, these can fetch you 25 to 30. These are a size 6. They're just black denim jeans. And I found another pair of Not Your Daughter. And these are also black denim. These are a size 10, so they're probably going to move a little more quickly than the 6. And then Keith actually found this pair today. Not Your Daughter's jeans. These are blue, medium wash, and at the bottom they have these really cute hems. They're sewed so they stay cuffed like that. They're a size 6, so they might be a little bit slower to move, but they're cute. And here is an experiment. So these are going to definitely be an experiment. I do really well with women's corduroys. All brands, all colors. I mean, Old Navy, Gap, White House Black Market, Hilfiger, Ralph Lauren. I just do really well with women's corduroys, which was surprising to me when we first started reselling, because when I think of corduroy pants, I like flashback to the 80s and the 90s, but they do well. People like their corduroys, at least the women's I do well with. And so this is a pair of men's corduroys. I'm actually going to try and see if men's corduroys do as well as women's. And this is Columbia, which is a brand that we have started experimenting with. We have a plethora of this in our town. Just, you can go on any rack in any Goodwill or thrift store, and there's just like usually this whole section of Columbia shirts and Columbia sweatshirts and pants. So when they go on to 99-cent sales, we pick them up just to try them out. And so this will be my first pair of men's Columbia pants, and they're also corduroy. So it's like an experiment. It's a twofold. And we did find a pair of Columbia women's jeans today, but they were $8.50. They were not on sale, and I wasn't really willing to take that risk. Their collar goes on sale next week, along with a free People pair of jeans I found. So hopefully I'll be able to get those next week. But yes, this is men's corduroy pants. So we'll see how those do. Here's another experiment. I've never heard of this brand, but it's new with tags. It was 99 cents, and it's new. It's also cute. It's a longer skirt. It's like the A-line skirt, kind of flares out at the bottom, and it's real soft velvet. It's real nice. I think with the right keywords and stuff, I'll do well with this one. And then last but not least, of the items at least that I picked out to show you guys, because we did get 60 pieces, I'm not going to show you all 60 pieces. This is going to move probably slow because we are in spring and the weather's getting warmer. So this will be a slow one, maybe, maybe not, but we picked it up anyway. It's the Florida Gators. It's just like a nice pullover sweatshirt with the hood. So it's a hoodie, but it's a pullover, and it has the kangaroo pocket here in the front. And the brand on it is Stadium, which I think we've moved a couple of these before, different teams or whatever. So yeah, typically, I don't know, like in the spring we pass up on hoodies and stuff, but this one's a good team. Florida Gators seem to be popular, and it's in really good shape. It's a nice looking sweatshirt, so we'll see. So that's everything I pulled out to share with you guys. Like I said, we did get 60 pieces today. The rest were just run-of-the-mill, your regular bread and butter brands that we run in our store. A couple pairs of jeans. I got a lot of shorts, men's and women's. Denim, cargo, golf, all those things that are popular, and a handful of women's tops, mostly like tank tops because we're moving into that warmer weather. And Keith got a handful of men's shirts. Like I said, it wasn't anything real exciting. Of course, you know, if I wasn't planning on a haul, maybe I would have found something exciting, but it's kind of like Murphy's Law. You plan on doing a haul video and you don't find anything that exciting. So if you guys want to leave comments down below or ask questions or anything, that's wonderful. Please do. I do answer all my comments, and I love to hear from you guys. If you liked this video, please smash the like button down below. And if you haven't already and you would like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.